Welcome to Easy English with us. Learn simple English for daily life step by step. Hello and welcome to my channel, Easy English with us. In this second part, we'll be exploring more words, verbs, and their examples. So, are you ready? Let's go! Tableware. Plate, like a stage for your food. Pizza goes on a plate. Pasta goes on a plate. Cake? Yes, on a plate. Say it with me. Plate. 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 Bowl. Imagine this: soup, salad, or ice cream, all in a bowl. Say it with me. Bowl. Bowl. Again. Bowl. Let's learn another one. Fork! Poke it! Pick it up! That's what a fork does. Say it with me. Fork. Again. Fork. Fork. Great job! Spoon. Say it with me slowly. Spoon. 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 Knife. Listen carefully to the pronunciation. Knife. Knife. Glass. We use a glass for water, juice, soda. Say it with me. Glass. 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 Cup. Small and cute. Tea, coffee, hot chocolate, use a cup. Say it with me. Cup. 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 Napkin. Wipe your mouth. Clean your hands. Say it with me. Napkin. 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 Eating verbs. Eat. I love to eat. Eat means food goes in your mouth. Say it with me. Eat. Again. Eat. One more time. Big bite. Eat. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. We eat every day. Eat. You're learning fast. Drink. Look at this. Milk, cold water, fresh juice. We drink it. Drink means take a sip. Say it with me. Drink. 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 What's that smell? Someone is cooking. Cook means make the food hot and ready. Say it with me. Cook. 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 Bake is like cooking, but in the oven. Say it with me. Bake. 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 We fry eggs, potatoes, sausages. Say it with me. Fry. 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 Look at the bubbles. The water is very hot. Boil means bubbles go up. Say it with me. Boil. 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 Taste. Is it good? Is it salty? Is it sweet? That's tasting. Repeat after me. Taste. 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 Example sentences. I eat eggs and bread for breakfast. Let's say it together. I eat eggs and bread for breakfast. I eat eggs and bread for breakfast. I eat eggs and bread for breakfast. Ah, tea in the morning feels so good. Let's say it together. She drinks tea every morning. She drinks tea every morning. She drinks tea every morning. We had chicken and rice for dinner. Repeat with me. We had chicken and rice for dinner. We had chicken and rice for dinner. Would you like some coffee? Would you like some coffee? Say it with me slowly. Would you like some coffee? The soup is hot. Say it with me. The soup is hot. The soup is hot. Practice section. Choose the right answer. What do we drink? Rice, tea, burger, cake. Great. Tea. Which one is a dessert? Don't rush. Choose the best answer. Yes, excellent. It's cake. Which one is a meal? Cake, ice cream, lunch, or sandwich? Remember what we learn. Think carefully. You can do it. Great job! It's lunch. Remember, learning English is all about practice. The more you listen, repeat, and use the words, the faster you will improve. Today we practiced tableware and eating verbs. In the previous video, we learned some basic foods and drinks. Try using these words in your daily life. For example, When eating breakfast, lunch, or dinner, pronounce the words in English. Don't worry if you make mistakes. That's part of the learning process. Just keep going, step by step. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to review the lesson, practice speaking out loud, and of course, join me in the next video for more fun and easy English learning. Thank you for watching. Stay motivated and keep practicing. See you soon, my friends.